pupils. How are you doing? I hope you're staying safe at home and I hope you're all fasting. Don't be lazy, please make sure you fast. Make sure you observe your fast. Okay, today is 2nd of May 2020 and I'm still Miss Asma Magaji, your basic science teacher. Welcome to yet another session of our lesson. The lesson for today is for grade 5 and it was basic science and technology, and our topic is acids and bases. Okay, and the subtopic is what? The pH scale. Let's get down to business now. I'm sure you must have heard of the term acid before, and you may have likely heard of something referred to as being acidic. Okay, and while you have a general idea of what these terms mean, it's important that you should understand what these terms mean on a scientific level. Okay, consider beverages like lemonade. You all take lemonade and orange juice. Okay, think of that delicious tiny taste you get when you sip either of these beverages. I said tiny taste. It's spelled tangy, but it's pronounced tangy, like this. Okay, think of the delicious tiny taste you get when you sip either of these beverages. Okay, that tang is a direct result of the beverage's acidic nature, and the reason why most of these beverages and other substances are naturally acidic is because they contain lots of hydrogen ions. An ion is a special type of atom or molecule that has an electric charge. So a hydrogen ion then will have what? A tiny electrical charge. Okay, and every substance in the universe is made up of hundreds and thousands of atoms, molecules, and ions. And when several of these are hydrogen ions, the substance is said to be what? Acidic. So in foods, it will have a what? Sour or tangy taste. But lots of other things also could be acidic, not just food. Okay, so now a base. What is a base? A base is not a term we refer to in everyday life. Okay, but one everyday example of a base is what? Baking soda. As you can see, I fetched this one here. Baking soda is commonly used to bake cakes, cookies, and other sweet treats. If you try to taste this, you'll see that it's very bitter. And when you try to rub it between your fingers, you'll get to find that it has a strange and soapy feeling. That's because baking soda is basic in nature, and basic substances contain hydroxide ions. Remember I said acids contain hydrogen ions, whereas bases contain hydroxide ions. Okay, and that means in food it will taste very bitter. Okay, if you can remember, I said our subtopic is the pH scale. So now, what is the pH scale? The pH scale is a concept you might have heard of without much reference for what it is and how it works. Okay, let's say now consider the pH scale to be a ruler that we can use to test for the acidity or baseness of a substance. Okay, and there are, let me make it here. There are 14 possible point values on the pH scale, and each value represents a level of acidity or baseness. Okay, and an acid substance has a pH level of 0 to 7, with 0 being very acidic, whereas a basic substance has a pH level of 7 to 14, with 14 being very basic. But if a substance has exactly a pH level of 7, it means it is neutral. It's neutral in the sense that it contains equal amount of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. I hope you're not getting confused here. This is hydrogen ions for acids, hydroxide ions for base. Okay, and a neutral substance is pure water. Any water that is pure is a neutral substance. Okay, and we have types of acids and bases. We have two types of acids. We have organic acids, that's acids that occur naturally. We have citric acid in unripe fruits like lemon, grapefruit, as you can see here. Citric acid. We have lactic acid in milk, and we have acetic acid in vinegar. I know most of you use vinegar at home to cook. Okay, and we have inorganic acids. These are acids that do not occur naturally. Examples are tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, that's sulfuric acid, and here is the formula for it, H2SO4. We have hydrochloric acid, that's HCl. We have trioxonitrate 5 acid, that's nitric acid. Okay, and we also have two types of bases. We have the soluble bases, which are soluble in water and are also called alkalis. Examples are potassium hydroxide, that's caustic potash, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, and ammonium hydroxide. We also have insoluble bases. These are bases that are not soluble in water. Examples are zinc oxide and copper oxide. And I also have this hypo here, washing liquid, and my baking soda. They are all examples of bases. Okay, now for your homework, let me say it's an experiment. I want you to take a raw egg and submerge it in a bath of vinegar and write down what you think will happen. You are to take a raw egg and submerge it in a bath of vinegar and write down what you think will happen. Thank you. Please, you can post your answers here. This is my WhatsApp number, 08119284529. Thank you.